Innovators. Inventor Preet here, and today we're unlocking the potential of ChatGPT to revolutionize your research and writing process. Let's dive in. First, access ChatGPT via its web interface or integration in productivity tools. Start with a clear question or topic to explore. ChatGPT can help you understand complex topics, find data, and even suggest resources. Watch how I ask it to outline the key points on renewable energy. Now, let's transform our research into a compelling piece. Ask ChatGPT to draft an introduction or provide a structure for your article. Be specific with your prompts, and don't hesitate to rephrase or ask follow-up questions. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool to augment your creativity and knowledge. While ChatGPT is powerful, it's crucial to fact-check and cite sources correctly. Use it responsibly as a starting point for your original work. ChatGPT is transforming how we research and write, opening up new possibilities for learners and creators. Embrace it as a part of your toolkit. Inspired to integrate AI into your learning journey? Subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Let's innovate together.